Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My people, I want to talk to you guys today about the cryptocurrency market. Today, to be fair, I was planning out on getting a video out for you guys on passive income and ideas for you guys on passive income, but everyone's been messaging me, yeah, Abu Musa, Bitcoin's going up. Bitcoin's going up like crazy. What should we do? Should we invest? Should we not invest? And that's what I want to speak to you guys about today. This implies to other things as well. It's not just cryptocurrency, but I in particular want to speak to you guys about Bitcoin. Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. So watch until the end, like this video, share with your family and friends. Listen, apparently, if you like the video, it gets out with more people and all that. And comment below what you want me to make a video on next, inshallah. But I have some plans for the future. Let's get right into it. So what do I think of cryptocurrency? Well, you know what? In 2017 December, your guy was a cryptocurrency trader. Like I was doing bits on cryptocurrency. Like I had a lot of money in cryptocurrency. And I want to talk to you guys about that experience, and I want to tell you if you should or shouldn't invest in cryptocurrency moving forward. In 2017, I had invested in Ripple, Ethereum, there was another one that I invested in. I had invested in Bitcoin. And I promise you this much. Every day I would go up, I would refresh the thing, and it was going up, 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 up. And I'm like, raw, man's making peas. Like, I'm making money here. But really and truly at the time, I have to be honest, I didn't really understand how cryptocurrency works. And I want you guys to really think about this. Do you guys really know how cryptocurrency works? Because the greatest investors actually say, do not invest in something you don't understand. Like, if you don't understand it, then don't invest in it. So at the time I had invested in cryptocurrency, and I have to be honest, I invested in it because it kept going up. But there was no other reason for it. It just kept going up. So I thought, oh, let's chuck some more money in here, and easy money, and chuck some more and chuck some more. But what happened in 2018? 2017 to 2018, it went up. But like everything goes up, it always comes down as well. And cryptocurrency, it went down a lot. And since 2018, it didn't really recover until 2020. From 2018 to 2020, it didn't really recover, and there wasn't really much movement in cryptocurrency for 2 years. But now, Bitcoin is going up, 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 up. And I want to talk to you guys about Bitcoin. See, my brothers and sisters, I want you to understand something. That I am here to talk to you guys about these things in finance and business and money. And this is exactly what I want to speak to you guys about. Bitcoin can go up, may go up. Will it go up? I have to be honest. Regardless of what anyone says, there are very, very, very few people that actually understand Bitcoin. One of the main issues with Bitcoin, and this is something that not many people speak about, that there are people who actually own a large sum of Bitcoin. And see, what happens is if someone owns a lot of Bitcoin, if they buy it or they sell, then the market value of Bitcoin goes up or goes down. That's worrying. That it's actually can be based on someone buying or selling Bitcoin. Individuals have percentages of Bitcoin. They own that much Bitcoin that it's like they own a percentage of Bitcoin. And that's worrying, and that should be, because if that individual sold today, the price of Bitcoin will go down. But can it go up? Yes, it can go up. I'm not really going to say if it's going to go up or if it's going to go down. I mean, it might hit £200,000. I mean, a few people have said it might in 2021, apparently. But will it? I don't know. And I will tell you this. You should only invest in whatever you're going to invest in. Cryptocurrency, whichever one, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, whatever one it is. You should always think in your head that if this goes down 50%, am I going to lose sleep over it? My brothers and sisters, many times we put in that much money that it keeps going up and keeps going up, and there's an element of addiction to it. We have to be careful that don't just keep putting in money because it keeps going up. Because like everything goes up, it does go down. You have to understand, you have to be ready to lose the money. See, today, if you own £10,000 in your bank account, you've saved for it and you've grinded for years and years, and slowly you put in £1,000, it goes up 10%. You're like, raw, man made 10%. You put in another £1,000, raw, man made 20%. Boom. Next minute, you got £6,000 in cryptocurrency, and you're thinking, man's making peas. You're putting on Instagram. You're like, man's pulling out a Rari very soon. Soon come Rari 2020. Be careful and don't invest all your money into one item, regardless of if that's cryptocurrency, regardless of if that's a stock. bear in mind that one, there could be a stock market crash coming soon, and I'm going to make a video on that. If you want me to make a video on that, comment below. But a crash can happen. Cryptocurrency, where it went up like crazy, many people lost a lot of money because they put in everything that they owned in Bitcoin. So my message to you is, be ready to at least lose 50% within a week. You should be ready to lose 50% in a week. So if you have £10,000 and you invest it into Bitcoin, be ready that next week that £10,000 might be £5,000. You have to be able to ride the wave. Will it go up back to £10,000? Most likely it probably will. Will it be next year, the year after? It might not be. You might not see your money back again for another few years. So my message to you is clear. Be careful with your investments. Be ready to lose your investments, i.e. don't be thinking that I need this money next week. If you need the money next week, don't invest. If you need the money in 6 months, don't invest. Only invest the money that you're happy to not touch for 5 years. You have to be ready for that. So that's my message to you, my brothers and sisters. This message was important. Look, I was due to get something else out. I had to get this out. Forgive me. I'm actually recording this on the same day that I'm going to get it out. I appreciate your guys' support so much. I hope that this is the sort of content you guys want to see on a regular basis, and I can make the content that you guys need to hear about and listen to. So I hope you can accept my apologies and not getting the video out on passive income. Inshallah, I will get that out later on in the week, and that will be videos on passive income. But I appreciate your time, guys. Jazakallahu khairan. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.